Hi everyone! Infused water not only refreshes you in summer heat but also helps in faster weight loss and a flatter tummy. So today I am sharing my recipe of a detox water that has helped me reduce bloating and get a glowing skin. It is also helping me in getting rid of post-pregnancy weight. So let's begin. All the ingredients that I am using here are all natural and organic and have no side effects. So everyone can have it without any worries. But before we begin, make sure that you follow me on Instagram and Facebook to stay connected. All the direct links are given in the description box below. So let's quickly look at the ingredients.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I keep sipping this infused water throughout the day, like after the gym or after every meal. It works instantly on your stomach and helps you lose weight. Make sure that you don't consume more than 1 liter in total in a single day, as excess of everything is bad. Drinking in excess can cause stomach ache and frequent motions, so moderation is the key. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any new video. And I'll see you all very soon. Till then, bye.